To get started with this webinar series, let's talk about what the 3D Experience Cloud Services tools are. You may have actually heard of these tools as they are now being included in new licenses of SOLIDWORKS and renewals of SOLIDWORKS licenses. So let's talk about what these tools are and what type of functionality you get from this. The Cloud Services tools provides your company with its own private tenant or specific private space on the 3D Experience platform. The 3D Experience platform is Dassault Systèmes' cloud-based system. Most of what we're going to be utilizing is going to be through a web browser. The Cloud Services tools give you access to some specific base roles of the 3D Experience platform. These include the 3D Swimmer role, Industry Innovator role, and Collaborative Designer for SOLIDWORKS role. Those are the three primary roles included with these cloud services. Notice on my screenshot there is a fourth role listed, the Platform Manager role. That is specific to administrators. Only the administrator of your company platform will see that specific role. The 3D Swimmer really provides access to the 3D Experience platform as well as 3D Play for viewing, 3D Drive, a lot of base and fundamental applications. The Industry Innovator role provides the data management applications available to you. And the Collaborative Designer for SOLIDWORKS allows you the ability to download an add-in to connect your company's 3D Experience tenant into your SOLIDWORKS CAD software. These tools are designed for SOLIDWORKS users, and that integration is very tight and well done at this point. In terms of functions, there's three main functions that I want to discuss with you as far as what you get with these cloud tools, these roles, and the applications they contain. The first one might seem obvious, but it is cloud storage. We're very familiar with this concept of cloud storage. Perhaps you use a different cloud storage platform at your company already. This could be Dropbox, SharePoint, or OneDrive. Where the 3D Experience platform and these cloud services tools provide you a massive benefit is in its ability to automatically manage SOLIDWORKS CAD file references. That is unique to this platform. Dropbox, SharePoint, OneDrive, they simply were not designed to manage those types of complex references. Yes, we can store SOLIDWORKS files. We can store any other file type. This is not going to be a limitation of the platform. Also thinking about cloud storage, you may be asking yourself, how much space will we get with our cloud services tools? The answer to that is 25 gigabytes per invited user. I am being specific about the invited user. The reason why is if you have 4 users and all 4 of those users actively utilize the licenses, they're invited to your company tenant, each user gets 25 gigabytes. That is cumulative. So that means the entire tenant has 100 gigabytes of space. As more people get added, more space gets added as well. One other major benefit of the cloud services tools is that you can upload files directly from SOLIDWORKS CAD into this cloud environment. That's partially how the system automatically manages the SOLIDWORKS references. The second point I want to discuss is collaboration. The cloud services tools come with a variety of collaboration tools in the form of feeds, communities, and notifications. These allow you to collaborate with your coworker on any device. What we're also going to see is the share and markup functionality. This can be used internal or external, but it is an ideal way to share designs with customers or vendors outside of your organization. The share and markup functions are really what we're going to be focusing on once we complete the overview of cloud services tools. So not only can we utilize cloud storage and collaboration, you also have a series of data management applications available to you. The 3D Experience platform provides what we call out-of-the-box functionality for data management. That simply means there's not a lot of setup. There's very little, if anything, to install. The system is designed to be ready to go once you activate the platform. You will be able to lock and unlock files. This gives your entire team visibility to who is utilizing the files, and you also have the ability to utilize the revision control of documents on the platform. The cloud services tools provide what we consider lifecycle management. There is a 5-step workflow that allows you to have files be in-released, obsolete, frozen, released, and of course go through the revision process. These are all built into cloud services tools and functions.